Good morning, dear students. Please take your honeydew textbook and look at the chapter 5, The Schoolboy. The Schoolboy is a poem written by William Blake. This is the poem taken from the Songs of Innocence and of his experience of William Blake. Okay? Here I give you summary of the poem. First, you have to see how many stanzas are there in the poem. There are total 6 stanzas in the poem. In the last stanza, you can see only 2 lines. So, totally there are 27 lines in the poem. Okay? Okay. Look at the first stanza. The poem is about an unhappy schoolboy. He likes the summer mornings and is fond of seeing the trees and the birds. We know that morning time is full of hopes and aspirations. He finds the distant sound of the huntsman's horn pleasant. Also, he wishes to sing with the skylark. Skylark is a type of bird. In short, he enjoys being in the company of nature. So, dear students, in the first stanza, you can understand that the speaker he wants to enjoy the beauty of nature. Instead of going to school, he wants to go to nature and to see the birds and to listen the songs of birds. And totally, he wants to enjoy the summer morning. Okay. The rhyming scheme of the poem is AB ABB. In the first stanza, you can see the rhyming words morn, horn, tree, me, company. So the rhyming scheme is AB ABB. Okay. As he has to go to the school, his morning hours pass unhappily. As a result, his life at school is also worrisome. He is not interested in studies and books. Even the teacher's lecture bore him. The teacher also keeps a strict eye on all the students so that they follow all the rules and regulations. Thus, his day is spent in distress and sadness. Also, he loses all his joy. The poet compares the school with a tree under which children sit and learn. The boy says he does not find peace sitting under this tree also. We all know that the pleasure of childhood lies in being free and happy like a bird. The poet here compares a child in school as a bird in a cage. He thus says that as a bird is unhappy in the cage, so is a child in school. He says that a child who is scared by his parents and teachers cannot be happy and joyful. The poet further says that the parents should not deprive a child of joy and freedom for the sake of studies. Depriving them of joy and freedom is similar to deprive the world of its spring. The poet also compares it with nipping the birds and flowers from the plants. He is often the opinion that this world will be a sorrowful place in the absence of a happy childhood. The poet beautifully compares it with nature. He says that without a happy childhood, we shall only have a winter of sorrow. We shall never be able to experience the summer of joy. So, dear students, the poem teaches us that parents should take due care of their children. It is their duty to see that their children are happy, joyful, and free. If they want to their generations to be happy and prosperous, they need to make their childhood a happy one. Okay, dear students. So, you learned the summary of the poem, The Schoolboy. It is written by William Blake. Okay. Your today's homework is learn the glossary of the poem and also you have to answer these questions working with the poem. Okay, in the next video class I will give you the poetic devices, literary devices of the poem. Okay, thank you.